I am in need of music that would flow over my fretful feeling, over my bitter tainted, trembling lips, with melody deep, clear, and liquid slow. Oh, for the healing sway, old and low, of some song sung to rest the tired dead, a song to fall like water on my head, and over quivering limbs, dream-flushed to glow. There is a magic made by melody, a spell of rest and quiet breath, and cool heart that sinks through fading colors deep to the subaqueous stillness of the sea, and floats forever in a moon-green pool, held in the arms of rhythm and of sleep.
No.